Welcome to today's financial analysis segment. In this episode, we'll explore T2 Biosystems Incorporated, TTOO, and its share price. Let's dive right in. Investing Hub. As of latest market close, TTOO stock is trading at 29 cents per share. T2 Biosystems Incorporated is a company known for its innovative diagnostic technology. Today, we'll delve into its share price, offering insights into its recent performance and potential future outlook. Let's kick off with a technical analysis of TTOO's share price. Over the past year, TTOO has exhibited a mix of price movements. To better understand its trajectory, we'll examine key technical indicators. Chart patterns can provide significant insights. Recently, TTOO's stock exhibited a double bottom pattern, suggesting a potential trend reversal. However, as with any pattern, it's essential to confirm it with other indicators. Identifying resistance and support levels is crucial for traders. TTOO's current resistance is at $X, while the support level is at $Y. These levels can be used to set entry and exit points. Moving averages can offer additional guidance. The 50-day and 200-day moving averages indicate the stock's short-term and long-term trends. A crossover, where the 50-day crosses above the 200-day, can be seen as a bullish sign. Now, let's discuss potential future targets for TTOO. Analysts suggest that T2 Biosystems has growth potential. Based on current trends and market sentiment, the short-term target is estimated at $Z, while the long-term target could reach $W. Keep in mind that these are projections and not guarantees. Managing risk is paramount when investing. Given TTOO's volatility, setting a stop loss at 5% below your entry point can be a prudent strategy. It helps protect your investment from the significant losses in case of unexpected downturns. In conclusion, T2 Biosystems Incorporated, TTOO, presents an interesting case for investors. While it has experienced recent price movements and exhibited certain patterns, it's essential to remember that the market is dynamic and subject to various factors. That concludes our analysis of T2 Biosystems Incorporated, TTOO, share price. Always conduct thorough research or consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Stay informed about the latest news and trends in the market. Thanks for joining us today, and happy investing.